Assalamu alaikum. I think everyone are well. I am also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am very glad to be a member of Global Trainer Academy GTA. I am very grateful to my sincere, smart, expert team leader and team supervisor, Honorable Mr. S.M. Akas Ali sir. I hope that GTA will be more helpful for the teachers to best train up many other faculties. So I want to be an educator award from GTA. It is the best platform to education expert teachers. Many thanks to Honorable GTA OPEP Imran Malik sir. Now let me introduce myself. My name is MD Robiul Alom. I am Bangladeshi, age of 42 years. I have successfully completed BA Honours and MA degree in Philosophy under National University. I am assistant teacher of Jamur Government Primary School, Sherpur, Bogura. I have completed B.Ed and M.Ed degree in Nectar, Bogura, under the Institute of Bangladesh Open University. I have also completed 6 months diploma ICT training, online spoken English, 170 online courses of various sites, Muktopath, Zion Community, Microsoft Educator, Our Islam, etc. I am also member of Teachers Portal. Then I contribute 3 journals and 20 model content upload there. I am a teacher so that I proud and enjoy my profession. It's dedicated to enriching my students' intellectual faculties. To top it all, I try to lead a honest and peaceful life. I wish GTA helps me to develop and increase my profession. I want to success and go ahead GTA. That's all. Allah Hafiz.